to be found. I'll meet you in the afterglow.
So thank you so much to Spotify for having us do this. This is really fun. I'm excited. You guys look nice. And yeah, don't be afraid to sing. Let's not make this weird, okay?
Do it!
Just a couple kids on a summer street, chasing around to a flicker beat, making mistakes that were made for us. We brushed them off like paper cuts. You said you're sick and tired of it, but I need you more than night and day. Oh, oh, I miss you every single way. We said forever, but forever wouldn't wait for us. You were my last young renegade heartache. It only took one night. Caught in the eye of a hurricane, darling. We had to say goodbye. Underneath the lights of the motorway, that's where I go to keep your ghost away. We used to be such a burning flame. Now we're just smoke in the summer rain. You said you're sick and tired of it, but I need you more than night and day. Oh, oh, I miss you every single way. We said forever, but forever wouldn't wait for us. You were my last young renegade heartache. It only took one night. Caught in the eye of a hurricane, darling. We had to say goodbye. I wanna know that you're somewhere out there, somewhere down this road. You were my last young renegade heartache. How could I let you? How could I let you go? You were the best thing ever happened to me, and I'll keep on fighting just to make you believe. You were my last young renegade heartache. It only took one night. Caught in the eye of a hurricane, darling. We had to say goodbye. I wanna know that you're somewhere out there, somewhere down this road. You were my last young renegade heartache. How could I let you? How could I let you? Don't wanna let you. I'll never let you go. Can't take another hollow point conversation. It's getting hard to fake. The sound of you an outlasting vibration. It's something I can't shake. The sweetness of you on my tongue. I breathe you in, you fill my lungs. A bitter taste, surrender waste. Another weakness. You and me are like drugs and candy. Take one down for the young and easy. There's nothing to explain. You had me on the edge of indiscretion. You said you feel the same. The sweetness of you on my tongue. I breathed you in, you filled my lungs. A bitter taste, surrender, waste another weakness. You and me are like drugs and candy. Take one down for the young and easy. You get me out of my head. I feel the space in your bed. High on the beat of a breakdown. 'Cause you and me are like drugs and candy. And I don't wanna give it up. Drugs and candy. The sweetness of you on my tongue. I breathed you in, you filled my lungs. A bitter taste, surrender, waste another weakness. You and me are like drugs and candy. Take one down for the young and easy. You get me out of my head. I feel the space in your bed. High on the beat of a breakdown, breakdown. You and me are like drugs and candy. And I don't wanna give it up. No, I don't wanna give it up. You get me out of my head. High on the beat of a breakdown. And I don't wanna give it up. I don't believe in saints. They never make mistakes. I know it's not my place. Who am I to tell you that you need to change? Her closet's such a mess, filled up with all the skeletons she's kept. Nobody's perfect, I confess, but she's perfect enough without ever dressing up, yeah. Dirty laundry is piling in her room. She's got her secrets, yeah, I got mine too. I don't care about what you did, only care about what we do. Dirty laundry looks good on you. Now here's some honesty. Sometimes I trip over your history. Wish I could change my mind, but it's the things I shouldn't see that always catch my eye. Dirty laundry is piling in her room. She's got her secrets, yeah, I got mine too. I don't care about what you did, only care about what we do. Dirty laundry looks good on you. the stars we came alive, and singing to the sky just felt right. I won't forget the good times, while the punks started picking fights with the skater kids under city lights. Remember how we laughed till we cried. I won't forget the good times. I never wanna leave this sunset town, but one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye, but I won't forget the good times. I won't forget the good times. We were bare knuckle, tight lip, middle fingers up, ego trip. Devil may care, but we didn't mind. I won't forget the good times. We're the boys in black, smoking cigarettes, chasing girls who didn't know love yet. As the bonfire moon came down, I won't forget the good times. I never wanna leave this sunset town, but one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye, but I won't forget the good times. I won't forget the good times. When we laughed, when we cried, those were the days. We owned the nights, locked away, lost in time. I found the nerve to say that I never wanna leave this sunset town, but one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye, but I won't forget the good times. I won't forget the good times. I never wanna leave this sunset town, but one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye, but I won't forget the good times. Say that we'll keep in touch. Nobody does, but it don't matter much. One last call at the corner store. Nights on ice if we don't score. One more time for second chances. We just wanna do some damage. So long, so nice to know ya, nice to know ya. I'm sorry to say, we can't go back to yesterday. This night is far from over, far from over. Let's get carried away. We can't go back to yesterday. Call out the names that you used to know, singing along in broken stereo. is we just wanna do some damage. So long, so nice to know ya, nice to know ya. I'm sorry to say we can't go back to yesterday. This night is far from over, far from over. Let's get carried away. We can't go back to yesterday. One last time for old time's sake. One more bend before we break. One more time as if we planned it. We just wanna do some damage. So long, so nice to know ya, nice to know ya. I'm sorry to say we can't go back to yesterday. This night is far from over, far from over. Let's get carried away. Can't go back to yesterday. One last time for old time's sake. One more bend before we break. All these people are passed out on the floor in my hotel room. I don't know half of them, but they all wanna know me. And it's 4 in the morning. I'm just trying to fix myself. What the hell did I do? I'm the life of the party. I'm the life of the party. Somewhere in between who I used to be and who will be tomorrow. When the champagne goes my mind, thrills don't come for free. The price you pay for dreams in a sea of strangers. I can't find me anymore. I can't find me anymore. I keep thinking about you, how you level me out sometimes when I'm out of my head and I don't wanna face it. You said it's all for a reason. What the fuck is the reason now? Coming down, bring me back. I'm the life of the party. I'm the life of the party. Somewhere in between who I used to be and who will be tomorrow. When the champagne goes my mind, thrills don't come for free. The price you pay for dreams in a sea of strangers. I can't find me anymore. I can't find me anymore. I can't find me anymore. Now it's 4 in the morning and I'm trying to fix myself. What the hell did I do? I'm the life of the party. It's so hard to imagine who I'd be if I walked away. Never know what it's like to be the life of the party. I'm the life of the party. Somewhere in between who I used to be and who will be tomorrow. When the champagne goes my mind, thrills don't come for free. The price you pay for dreams in a sea of strangers. I can't find me anymore. There's a little house on a perfect little hill, just short of a fairy tale. There's a little child with a million ways to feel, caught up in a hurricane. Paper thin walls, angry words from down the hall. Something changed them, I think about him every now and again. Now there's a ghost in the back of this room, and I don't like it. I fall asleep with my covers pulled up and try to fight it. I gotta say, it's hard to be brave when you're alone in the dark. I told myself that I wouldn't be scared, but I'm still having nightmares. I'm still having nightmares. In a suitcase, I locked down my own way, in a place I wouldn't find. They still want me, I think about it every now and again. Now there's a ghost in the back of this room, and I don't like it. I fall asleep with my covers pulled up and try. Gotta say, it's hard to be brave when you're alone in the dark. I told myself that I wouldn't be scared, but I'm still having nightmares. I'm still having nightmares. In the back of this room, and I don't like it. I fall asleep with my covers pulled up and try to fight it. Now there's a ghost in the back of this room, and I don't like it. I fall asleep with my covers pulled up and try to fight it. I gotta say, it's hard to be brave when you're alone in the dark. I told myself that I wouldn't be scared, but I'm still having nightmares. Still having nightmares. I gotta say, it's hard to be brave when you're alone in the dark. I told myself that I wouldn't be scared, but I'm still having nightmares. This moment feels like an echo. We've done this dance 1,000 times. You say I need a refill and twist me up till we blur the lines. Oh, girl, you make a fool of my heart. Oh, you don't know what you do to me. Nights like these, who needs the days? I shut my eyes and sleep them away. I'm on the dark side of your room with the notches on your bedpost. With flames nightmares and sleep them away. I'm on the dark side of your room with the notches on your bedpost. With friends like you, who needs friends? I shut my mouth and we do it all again. I'm on the dark side of your room with the notches on your bedpost. With the notches on your bedpost. Ground control. What do the books say about this one now? I think we've lost it all.
Hi everybody, this is the Website Boy from the websiteboy.com, and today I'm going to show you what Bootstrap is, and I'm going to show you how to use it. First of all, you probably heard a lot of people talking about Bootstrap. What is Bootstrap? All right, let's find out. You probably already searched it online, but maybe you're looking to learn how to use it. So today you're gonna find out how to use it. First of all, we went to Google, we searched for Bootstrap, and we landed on their page, which is getbootstrap.com. First of all, Bootstrap is like, it says it right here, it's a framework. It's a library full of code of classes and that you can use in your HTML to make your life easier. So today I'm going to show you how to use it. So we have a blank HTML file here called bootstrap.html. I don't know if you can see it there. Okay, and we are going to install Bootstrap here so we can start using it right away. So first of all, we have to download the framework, and they got different ways of downloading it here. Now you can use these files and reference that style sheet from the internet, from the CDN. You can reference the JavaScript or the CSS, minify or unminify way. Actually they both minify here, and this is a theme reference file. But anyways, what I usually do, this you cannot use on just plain simple HTML unless you're connected to a web server that can read internet files. Okay, you have to use a local reference file for if you're not connected to a server. Okay, so first of all, let's download this and show you how this works. So we clicked on download. Now we are going to my Finder and looking for that distribution zip. We're gonna unzip it. Okay, now that we unzip it, we have a folder that has 3 folders in it: CSS, fonts, and JS. You need all 3 if you are developing something nice. So what I'm going to do is, I have that Bootstrap file is right here somewhere, right here, and I'm gonna put that CSS inside here. So let's do that. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you. Oops, I already had that open. Let me just go to my downloads. There we go. I usually like to take this out and do it like this. All right, hopefully you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to copy all the CSS into here. Okay, I have the fonts. I'm going to just do that there. Already have some JS there, and I'm going to get this to up here. Now I have that on my CSS, and I can reference it from my HTML page. Now let's reference Bootstrap. This is the first thing. Okay, don't let that scare you, what I just did right now and did it really fast. That is a plugin I use with my editor, Sublime Text, and the plugin is called Emmet. Sublime Text also has shortcuts, shorthand way of writing code. So anyways, let's reference that Bootstrap file. Let's do a different reference. here because I like to have my, there we go. And then we say that is in the folder CSS and is on Bootstrap. It's Bootstrap, it's called Bootstrap. Bootstrap.min for minified.css. So this is, we're referencing. I like always to put Bootstrap first. The reason, because I would like to modify Bootstrap sometimes, and if I put this file before the style.css, whatever file I'm using, it's if I put Bootstrap before my style.css, Bootstrap is gonna override it. So if you know HTML, CSS, you already know that. So anyway, let's use Bootstrap. Let's say for some reason you have a button here, right, that says click here. What Bootstrap does is, now we are referencing Bootstrap, and Bootstrap has a utility classes that you can use. For example, class. And now Bootstrap has a class that's named btn. That's one class. Let's do another class, btn-primary. Okay. Now that we have that, let's just put type button here. I haven't done this in a while. I just figured I'd do a little tutorial for you guys. And then we are going to see what we have. There you go. And that is, if I take that class off, I'm going to show you. If I take this class off, okay, and I go back to that file, to this page, and you see that we have no class at all.
Distances anymore. All systems are critical. Can't find my way back to you. Feels like there's nowhere to go. Oh, I'm just out here waiting for you to say, don't be afraid, no. If you start floating away, hey, I promise you we'll be fine. Got the taking in 300 days with no reply now. I think I've lost my mind. There's nothing keeping me from going outside anymore. My systems are critical. Gotta find my way back to you. Feels like I'm drifting at all. I'm just out here wishing that you would stay. Don't be afraid, no. If you start floating away, hey, I promise you we'll be fine. Got the universe on your side. When you're out in space, don't you be afraid, no. If you start floating away, hey, I promise you we'll be fine. Got the universe on your side. When you're out in space, don't you be afraid, no. If you start floating away. We gotta make contact to make it out. We gotta make contact to make it. We gotta make contact to make it out. If you start floating away, hey, I promise you we'll be fine. Got the universe on your side. When you're out in space, don't you be afraid, no. If you start floating away, hey, I promise you we'll be fine. Got the universe on your side. When you're out in space, don't you be afraid, no. If you start floating away. Don't you be afraid, no. If you start floating away. Step outside in the midnight rain. King and queen of the streets again. Got young blood running through our veins, and it keeps us numb like Novocaine. Alright, we can go all night, 'cause we got a whole lot of fight in us. And I see a long road that we gotta follow before tomorrow catches up. Oh, just take it easy. Hold on to this feeling. Oh, our friends are leaving, and we ain't got nowhere to go. Caught up in the afterglow. Can't stay here, but you can't go home. Did you hear that line somewhere before? And you look just fine on your own, but we look better in the afterglow. Alright, we can go all night, 'cause we got a whole lot of fight in us. And I see a long road that we gotta follow before tomorrow catches up. Just take it easy. Hold on to this feeling. Oh, our friends are leaving, and we ain't got nowhere to go.
Hello and welcome to the 14th video Bootstrap tutorial, and in this tutorial we will go over a Bootstrap plugin called Bootstrap Lightbox. So first of all, what is Lightbox? Lightbox is when you have a thumbnail image, and when you click on this thumbnail image it displays the full size image. So we will see how we can create this using Bootstrap plugin called Bootstrap Lightbox. So before we start working on it, I've created a folder on my desktop called Lightbox, and when I open this folder I have an image here which we'll be using for testing purposes in this tutorial, and I have index.html file. So when I open my index.html file, it is a simple HTML5 template where I've given a title and a link to bootstrap.css file, a link to jQuery plugin, and a link to bootstrap.js file. So let's just go and download Bootstrap Lightbox plugin. So go into Google and type Bootstrap Lightbox and click on the first link, and you should be redirected to this web page. So we will download Bootstrap Lightbox plugin. So it will download a zip file. So we will unzip it and we will copy this Bootstrap Lightbox CSS file and JS file. So copy these two files and we'll paste into our Lightbox folder on our desktop. So we'll paste these two items here, and now I will give a link to these two files in my index.html file. So first of all, I'll give a link to CSS file, which is bootstrap-lightbox.css. Okay, now we'll give a link to JavaScript file, which is bootstrap-lightbox.js. Okay, now we're given a link to CSS and JS file. Let's just start writing over Lightbox. So first of all, we will create a Lightbox. So I'll just create simple container tag. This is Bootstrap classes, and then we will create a new row and we will create a spandrel tag. And now I'll give it a heading. Lightbox, and then the page using tab key you won't be able to navigate to this Lightbox. And a role property value will be image boxes have value which will reference over Lightbox. So I will grab this ID and I will reference this ID into this link. So hashtag demo Lightbox, and this will be an image link source, and I will be using the same image we used in our Lightbox. So what we need to make it a thumbnail, so I will add a class here in opening a tag. I'll give it a class of span2 and thumbnail. So these are Bootstrap classes to create thumbnail of span2 size. So now if we go to our index.html5, refresh, you will see I have a thumbnail here, but I have like 3 thumbnails. There's an issue here because we didn't close our image tag. That's why. So if you refresh, there is our thumbnail. Now when I click my thumbnail, it displays our full size image in a Lightbox, and there is our caption. This is my background image, and you can click anywhere else apart from this image or Lightbox and it should index.html contain the caption index.html.
Hello, Mr. Mendones here. Today I'd like to show you how to create a light box for your Bootstrap website. So let me begin by showing you how it looks when you are done. Okay, so here's an example. We have 12 thumbnails, and if you click on any of the thumbnails, the light box appears, dimming the background. When you hover over to the right, you can see the arrow saying that there are more pictures to see. And as you can see, I already have lightbox.css, so I'm not going to paste. And click on the first link you see. We're going to download this file. You're going to open it up, and you're going to take the CSS lightbox.css file. You're going to copy that, and you're going to stick it in your workspace. So for me, my workspace is here, and as you can see, I already have lightbox.css, so I'm not going to paste it in there. And then let's open a new tab and go back to my downloads. Lightbox, which I downloaded a bunch of times already. Then we're going to download this file right here, lightbox.min.js, and you're going to go back to your workspace, go into your JS folder, and paste it in here also, which again I already have. That CSS file. I'm going to copy that, and you're going to stick it
take another hollow point conversation. It's getting hard to fade. The sound of you an outlasting vibration. There's something I can't shake. The sweetness of you on my tongue. I breathe you in, you fill my lungs. A bitter taste, surrender, waste another weakness. Like drugs and candy. Take one down for the young and easy. You get me out of my head. I fill the space in your bed, high on the beat of a breakdown. You and me are like drugs and candy. And I don't wanna give it up. You caught me in a moment of redemption. There's nothing to explain. You had me on the edge of indiscretion. You said you feel the same. The sweetness of you on my tongue. I breathed you in, you filled my lungs. A bitter taste, surrender, waste another weakness. You and me breathed you in, you felt my lungs. A bitter taste, surrender, waste another weakness. You and me are like drugs and candy. Take one down for the young and easy. You get me out of my head, I feel the space in your bed. High on the beat of the breakdown, breakdown. You and me are like drugs and candy, and I don't wanna give it up. No, I don't wanna give it up. You get me out of my head, high on the beat of the breakdown, and I don't wanna give it up. I don't believe in saints. They never make mistakes. I know it's not my place. Who am I to tell you that you need to change? Her closet's such a mess, filled up with all the skeletons she's kept. Nobody's perfect, I confess, but she's perfect enough without ever dressing up, yeah. Dirty laundry is piling in her room. She's got her secrets, yeah, I got mine too. I don't care about what you did, only care about what we do. Dirty laundry looks good on you. Now here's some honesty. Sometimes I trip over your history. Wish I could change my mind, but it's the things I shouldn't see that always catch my eye. Dirty laundry is piling in her room. She's got her secrets, yeah, I got mine too. I don't care about what you did, only care about what we do. Dirty laundry looks good on you. Looks good on you. On a fault line late night, underneath the stars we came alive, and singing to the sky just felt right. I won't forget the good times, while the punks started picking hits under city lights. Remember how we laughed till we cried. I won't forget the good times. I never wanna leave this sunset town, but one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye, but I won't forget the good times. I won't forget the good times. We were bare knuckle, tight lip, middle fingers up, ego trip. Devil may care, but we didn't mind. I won't forget the good times. We're the boys in black, smoking cigarettes, chasing girls who didn't know love yet. As the bonfire moon came down, I won't forget the good times. I never wanna leave this sunset town, but one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye, but I won't forget the good times. I won't forget the good times. When we laughed, when we cried, those were the days. We owned the nights, locked away, lost in time. I found the nerve to say that I never wanna leave this sunset town, but one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye, but I won't forget the good times. I won't forget the good times.
In this lesson, we will continue to leverage JavaScript without writing JavaScript. To be more specific, we will create a photo gallery that uses a modal window. Let's dive straight into a demo of our finished product. So here we see a photo gallery, and let's imagine that I'm interested in the bear photo. If I click on the bear, we can see that the rest of the page is blacked out and the bear is front and center. In design, we typically call this a modal window, or just a modal for short. This means that we are taking the user's attention away from the main application or our main website, and we're presenting them with a new window. So let's say I'm done admiring the high-res photo of the bear. Users can return to the main page.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Third Elementary Tutorials. In this lecture I'm going to show you how to create a web image gallery, a page you can integrate in any of your web. We are going to select the template which I am providing for you in the exercise files. As for the last step, we are going to integrate the FancyBox jQuery plugin to our gallery and create the zoom in functionality, as you can see right here. We are going to select our images, resize them and save them for the web. But since we are
Nobody does, but it don't matter much. One last call at the corner store. Nights on ice if we don't score. There's a little house on a perfect little hill, just short of a fairy tale. There's a little child with a million ways to feel, caught up in a hurricane. Paper thin walls, angry words from down the hall. Something changed there, I think about them every now and again. Now there's a ghost in the back of this room, and I don't like it. I fall asleep with my covers pulled up and try to fight it. I gotta say, it's hard to be brave when you're alone in the dark. I told myself that I wouldn't be scared, but I'm still having nightmares. I'm still having nightmares. Never did I think I'd be coming back around, digging up old memories. Always used to be the one to let it go, kept my fears in a suitcase. I locked them away in a place I wouldn't find. They still want me, I think about it every now and again. Now there's a ghost in the back of this room, and I don't like it. I fall asleep with my covers pulled up and try to fight it. I gotta say, it's hard to be brave when you're alone in the dark. I told myself that I wouldn't be scared, but I'm still having nightmares. I'm still having nightmares. Now there's a ghost in the back of this room, and I don't like it. I fall asleep with my covers pulled up and try to fight it. Now there's a ghost in the back of this room, and I don't like it. I fall asleep with my covers pulled up and try to fight it. I gotta say, it's hard to be brave when you're alone in the dark. I told myself that I wouldn't be scared, but I'm still having nightmares. Still having nightmares. I gotta say, it's hard to be brave when you're alone in the dark. I told myself that I wouldn't be scared, but I'm still having nightmares. This moment feels like an echo. We've done this dance 1,000 times. You say I need a refill and twist me up till we blow